That's my digit. My number is legit. I'm the human mechanic, the scientist, the nutritionist. Eh? How you want? How you want? You want roots? You want bitters? Me now no dumpling. Me now no flitters. Big up Kino. Can you see Kino? Take care of people. You do a good job. Cause right now you make Zena look good and feel good. And everybody tell me about Zena. All over the world them call me and say Zena.
Scanner.
Scanner. When you hear me I say Zena, me I say Zena right. Scanner. Them say Scanner look good and Scanner feel good to you. And me say yeah man, I'm a big up Kino. I'm never Kino. I will never Kino.
So who live on this block? So how much people used to live on them block here? I must know.
Everyone on this block use
this. And one on the next block use that side. Yeah. And that one there's also another kitchen house. So the people them just turn the kitchen house into a home. You know? Yeah. Them done. Yeah. Cause them turn the house done in Trenchtown, so. Yeah.
Like that anymore. Tatty dance, I mean to do it, you know.
Yeah.
If you can do the tatty dance, I'm not tatty me or tatty now, you know. I do that one for Kobe Bryant and all basketball player. All basketball player global. We are going to shoot to the hoop. This is not Biggie Small nor Snoop. Shoot to the hoop. Like Kobe Bryant, we are going to shoot to the air. Bounce, bounce, shoot to the hoop. Make sure you drink up your bitters and roots. Come now, shoot to the hoop. Make sure you feed up on your veggie and fruits. Bounce, bounce, like Kobe Bryant. Bounce, 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 and shoot.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
and clean the body I go pop down. No sir.
Snagger.
Where you are?
Hey,
Where you are?
Hey.
Why me here all over the world, everybody talk about me, them call me like wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. See it you now?
See it you now.
Alright again. We are tell the people them say watch ya man. Where you go on is no joke thing. You have to take care of your body, clean your body and build back your body. Clean the immune system, build back the blood. This is Snaggapus, aka the herbal man, the scientist and the nutritionist. So you see right now my people all over the world, the human family, it's time to reconnect because you've been disconnected from nature. And nature is the only thing can protect you right now. You're taking a vaccine, which is a must because what? If you're not vax up, you can't fly up on a plane. If you're not vax up. And if you're not vax up, you can't work on a place. Because them say, if you're not vax, you can't work. So if you're vax up and you're mass up, come check the herbal man and make me build the immune system up, clean the blood up, and straighten back the body up. Because them I say, when you vax up, enough people get weak. But me have the mineral will build up back the immune system now and straighten your back and build up back the sperm count, the blood count, the reproductive system. Alright?
Alright.
Where you am? Where you am? Where you am? Where you am? Diabetes, arthritis, sinusitis, meningitis, polomyelitis, any sickness, 8848176. That's my digit. I'm legit. Call me and give me a visit.
Yeah.
I'm the herbalist, the scientist, the nutritionist. My people wake up. And where you am? And where you am? You see them mass up and them a vax up. But me have the remedy. We clean them up. Build the immune system up. Yes, my people. Come check me now. Call me. 876-884-8176. That's my digit. My number is legit. I'm the human mechanic, the scientist, the nutritionist. And where you want? And where you want? You want roots? You want bitters? Me now no dumpling. Me now no flitters. Big up Kino. Can you see Kino?
Yeah.
Take care of people. You do a good job. Cause right now you make Zena look good and feel good. And everybody tell me about Zena. All over the world them call me and say Zena.
Scanner.
Scanner. When you hear me I say Zena, me I say Zena right. Scanner. Them say Scanner look good and Scanner feel good to you. And me say yeah man, you have a big up Kino. I've never Kino. If it never Kino. If it never Kino and God Almighty and me, Scanner wouldn't feel better. So right now people, Scanner feel better. You can feel better. Your sister can feel better. Kawa, we are one family, the human family. But what I'm doing now, we disconnect. So we disconnect, I am here to get you reconnect. You disconnect from nature, God Almighty. You remember Psalms 91. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Shall be like a tree that planted by the river of water, that bear fruits that never wither, that never die. Look around you. People are dying left, right, and center. And Psalm 91 tell you that 10,000 shall fall at your right hand, and the next 10,000 at your left hand, and you shall not die because you connect to the God Almighty. So connect back to yourself. Connect back to God Almighty. Take back your cosmic mind, your planetarian mind. Take back your mind. Don't make them think for you. Think for yourself. Because only you can save yourself. And remember God in you. Your God in you. Your God real. See Kino, Kino real. If Kino never real. When I say if Kino never real, Scanner wouldn't feel real. I wouldn't feel real because people call me like, wow. People say, Mr. Scanner, I'm see you make Scanner this, I'm see you make Scanner that. I'm say, yeah man, I'm young God Almighty. I'm Kino.
And the donors. The donors. The donors.
And the donors them. Yeah, the donors them. Because the people them who don't and help out Kino. Because the people them who help Kino to take care of the poor people them. And to the right now, me not the ghetto. And me a go around and me a try reconnect. Cause reconnect me a do you know, say get back on yourself. No God. Have no fear. Big up Dada. What me say Dada me a talk. Lester Honorable Bob Marley. What me say? Bob Marley, because I him say, what him say? Them a go tired to see we face. And them can't get me out of the race. I'm say I have no fear for atomic energy. Cause none of them don't know the time. What me say? So Bob Marley, a da. Bob Marley, a da. Seeing so, right now, me have to big up Bob Marley because I them man they say everything with Bob Marley say it happen now. everything with Bob Marley say happening. So Kino,
Yeah.
we just want you to stay focused and make the people them know. So watch your man, the Herbal Man is real. The Herbal Man number is 876-884-8176. Call me. If you're vaccine, we can help build up back the immune system and the blood count and the sex drive. Car them say when you take vaccine, it make the sex drive weak and it kill out back the reproductive system. But you want know, it's a new world order. It's a new world order where them set a paradigm shift, new world order. That means if you're not vaccine, you can't go on a plane, and if you're not vaccine, you can't work nowhere. So people, remember, if you're vaccine, we help you build back the bloodstream here, and help you build back the immune system, because the immune system is the life force of the body, is the protective system of the body. And remember, Kino, you do a good work. Big up all the donors them. Kino say me tell you, say all donors. Kino say thank you no. Kino say me big up all the people them say we send donation to help the poor people them when them sick. And Kino I do a good work and send it around the world. And a Kino, remember this now, is Kino and the Herbal Man apart.
Yeah.
So if you want me, just call Kino and Kino give me number and you can contact me. Alright? Big up.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
How did you dance?
How did you dance? Cheap.
At the basketball dance.
Yeah. To the hoop. To the hoop. To the hoop.
This is not big, it's small. No, it's too. And you want to know. Now go near that. Alright. Yeah, my people. First, we have to big up Kobe Bryant, the Superman of basketball in pass out.
Yeah.
But we don't forget Kobe. That one dedicated Kobe and all basketball fans and all the NBA and the WNBA. When we say all the basketball fans, because the new dances was not a pussy company now.
Yeah.
Remember me see a man going to the stair, hugging up is against the law. Yeah.
Nice.
We don't dance like that anymore. Tatty dance, I mean to do it, you know.
Yeah.
If you can do the tatty dance, I know tatty me or tatty no, you know. I do that one for Kobe Bryant and all basketball player. All basketball player global. We are going to shoot to the hoop. This is not Biggie Small nor Snoop. Shoot to the hoop. Like Kobe Bryant, we are going to shoot to the hoop. Bounce, bounce, shoot to the hoop. Make sure you drink up your bitters and roots. Come now, shoot to the hoop. Make sure you feed up on your veggie and fruits. Bounce, bounce, like Kobe Bryant. Bounce, 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 and shoot to the hoop. When I say people, so big up and remember now, get back to the thing.
Yeah.
More of the people them say, no, say it's a Kino. This Kino what me I tell you about. Him do the video and send it all over the world for help people when them sick. When people can't afford nothing, Kino go around and interview them and send the video and look donation and get donation and get to the people them. Just like when do for Scanner. Scanner, yeah, like when do for Scanner. Because it's Scanner now, Scanner feel better.
Yeah.
Through Kino and no donation and through Kino and me, the Herbal Man, because we are a team. And it's for the dream work, we have to have a teamwork.
Yeah.
Remember this, no people, for the dream work, you have to have a teamwork. And this is a teamwork. So people, the vaccine is here now and people have to have vax up and a mask up. Them a vax up and them a mask up. Them have to mask up, them have to vax up. Because if you don't vax up, you're not going to get no work. If you don't vax up, you can't fly up. If you don't vax up, you can't fly up. If you don't vax up, you're not going to get no work. And then hungry go bust your shot. Talk to the Herbal Man. Call me because me have the thing we clean the blood.
Yeah.
Build about the immune system. Build about the sperm count, the blood count. Build about the reproductive system. Build your eyesight, your nerves, your brain power. The other thing them do, it name neurogenesis. You hear it name Kino? Neurogenesis. That means build up the nerve cells in back of the brain. Make you can think positive every day. Make you not give up. Neurogenesis. Check the Herbal Man. And when you want the vitamin D3, call me. Vitamin D3. See me in the sun, and in the sun today now. And we Kino not afraid of the sun. I'm not afraid of the sun because we get what? Cosmic A and Cosmic B, and it go to it epidermis, the skin, and it convert to the liver and give vitamin D3. You see me intelligent? In a gen because we are self-confident. Big up that Marcus Garvey again. Him said the man who have no confidence in self is twice defeat in the race of life. And once you have self-confidence, you win already. So self-reliance and self-confidence. Dada Marcus Garvey. And big up Dada Bob Marley. Cause I'm two that of them there, you know. Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, yeah. Because Bob Marley, remember, you know, him say, we don't know how we and them are going to work it out. Alright. I remember Bob Marley say again, have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them don't know the time. See it, you know the sun turn up and it hot and no forget them all get burned up. Kawa, nobody them can't take the sun.
Yeah.
You the cosmic being, you can't take the sun, Kawa. We rise with the sun and we set with the sun. We don't live like we are Dracula, cause we sleep at night. Early to bed, early to rise. Make a man healthy and wife. Make a man healthy and wise. Hug up your kids and take care of your wife. And we have.
Hey.
And we have. And we have. We have. Arthritis, diabetes, sinusitis, meningitis, polomyelitis, any sickness. Call the herbal man. 876-884-8176. That's my digit. I'm legit. I'm the human mechanic. Don't panic. Yes, I remember my people. Again, keen yourself a big up all of the donors them. Big up the donors them. Seeing? I remember, give this number to your friend all over the world to call the herbal man globally, because I will send you the mineral and the nutrition anywhere you are. I am 61 years old. Look at me. 61 year old. Eyesight is good. Teeth white, yeah. Me hear them black, me no grow up, yes. And my skin look clean and pretty. Because what? Me take care of myself. Me no eat no meat, me no eat no fish. I'm a vegan. And I have the vegan food. I have the mineral and the nutrition. Just call me when you want to build the immune system, build up back your body and stay healthy and strong and go to full 100, 200, 300, up. Kino.
Up. Out. Chips. Sans, I'm going to take away your water boots, you know, Sans. Sans, how my size that? How my size that? Baby, you sell the bag of bag juice then, and the bag of bag water then. You sell them?
Another one.
The bag juice. A bag?
Yeah.
Sam's.
Yes.
Are you may make a feed? You forgot one bag of bag juice.
I want a bag of calls.
Yeah, bag of cars.
But look at Anita bag.
She give a bag of bag water too. Sam. Oh, I got it. That'll be straight into action.
Yeah, that. I'm going to look for the half
Man, them say them all, no matter what, you always see tall Peter there. Always the tall Peter walk, no matter where them a walk go. Them say them always the tall Peter work, no matter what kind of work I go on. Yeah. Like I done this already. Place light now, light. Place even lighter. The talent that will come out too. And then go there, where's running?
No, make sure clean up, yeah, make sure clean up around here.
Then bag the car, out my bag.
Put them back, off them. Gas stands in the room, but for next morning, for them take it up and blue gas stands.
Oh, and my friend is sees. Probably him. But that should look like in the inside right black. The drain. Can't flush out still. Water.
Black up here, so we feel like him low.
No, man, bring up black.
Come around that side.
Yeah, be a black.
Come up the height and
Yeah, that go higher than the house. Cause the house have to go rise up to, I think, another black height. What I just say. And the wall as well too. The wall like rise up, using it to the same height. And yeah, the wall I got built out there as well to like a bar, just a wall. And the wall I was like join with the house. So it's there like a big smell. Yeah, the house top. Kaima said that was through them building at the long time building is in the kitchen, inside the kitchen. Yeah, we kind of highlight the viewers them because this is all the long time kitchen for the because most of these house tenement house them build in the kitchen. So this was a kitchen, community kitchen where them set up and turn it in a room. And yeah, this was the kitchen because yes, it was the counter. You can see the shape, see the line there. The counter they come all the way out. This was the counter them cook on top of this. I had the chimney. I think the chimney was over the next side. The smoke go up. See that? So the chimney, the side shape this. The chimney go up there so. Yeah. Kitchen house. No, I remember the kitchen house there when yeah. So I lick them lick out the wall there so too, cause two kitchen house this you know.
Oh yeah, I lick them lick out.
Them lick out. Two kitchen houses, yeah. So this is the community kitchen for who live on the block here.
Yeah, you was a black.
Yeah, so who live on this block. So how much people used to live on them block here? Must
everyone on this block use
this. And one on the next block use that side. Yeah. And that one there's also another kitchen house. So the people them just turn the kitchen house into a home. You know? Yeah. Them done. Yeah. Cause them turn the house done in Trenchtown, so. Yeah. So you have a draw for the kitchen house. They say, the house then done. I want a house and I can't get none.
From that, people them say we have the kitchen.
Yeah.
We want the house and we can't get none.
Some people want to have kitchen out now to but I take away. Kitchen in the house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And that's the thing, you know. So most people have to build kitchen at them house. But they never build it. Put a stove inside it.
And make a partition.
And make a partition where you know, so that's the way you cook.
Kitchen this.
So these were the kitchen home where you know, come out of your house and you come out of your house and come to the kitchen. Yeah. But you better cut it out. They run steel night and put Natish, hard working Natisha. Oh, Natisha have a hard boot now. What you mean, Natish?
The prefect let no one bout.
Oh, the prefect let no fee one. What you mean, Natish? Boy, them people them say Natisha is full of gratitude, you know? Because she never have to. And she come back and show about the appreciation.
Yeah.
You see me saying? She show about the appreciation, you know?
Sure about the shirt.
Yeah.
See
And that,
you.
I left you, man. I wish ninja this. I wish criminal ninja this coming here. Oh, Esther. I wonder, I wish ninja this. Ninja Esther. Yeah, look light and nice. Yeah, clear. All of them.
Scrap. But not so much more than I used to.
You want them where you know say can go? Can go.
No, but I think
Let's work with man, that's your whole
Eh?
More copy car, more rough fiber, more weaving. Bye-bye.
the other one.
Bear truck there.
Come here, what can I say, young man? Come.
Yes, I give a helping hand. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Come in.
You want to play? Wait.
Net bag.
Yeah, man. Let's
Go down the bag and take out that time.
Alright, look at them.
Nah, man. I know that.
Different time.
Yeah, right.
Pour somebody's put that for the man. Cup. Got one cup, sir.
Me wonder say, what that you there? If you want the old fridge to come out, the man them would have just take out that
We're going to give you, sir.
Drive for your yes, me can drive. I all see the listening to one in the country. Yes, he will.
Yeah. Respect, family. You want think on it?
Some can get by the cat now.
Eh?
Some can get by the cat.
No, I can stay because we have take 1 and 2 pieces of board when I need to do it. I wish I one go?
Yeah,
No, not ice water. I'll back juice out there, son. They say, I one go, you go. Eh? I one go, the man go. Be careful, you know. Come now, man. Be careful. Yeah, go for this shot. Where's your back juice break? Where's your back juice break?
Back juice pan base.
It's a back juice break.
No peanut punch.
Am I ready?
I should have.
And a cause
No.
nobody wrong one then. I will for blame, baby. A baby for blame, Jella. Yeah. Baby, Jella say you forget the blame.
All things that man and take out the whole subject.
Oh, you take out one other share, you can't be the people there, you know. Have mercy and be the Lord.
Be careful, my Jella.
Get check now. Where's the man? Is the man that shit?
Eh? No. No who for this. Can't leave that for the minute.
No, I get up to the crew. What? So when you get come on?
Eh?
When you come on? Enjoy come on. When you come my front part of me going so.
This machine.
It's light now. Yes, light. So we have a lot of workspace now because the place kind of light up.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.